Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about rotating gear clock. Okay, so you should purchase this product or not, and what are the main problems of this product. Okay, so you have seen lots of advertisement, and including like Moonwix. Moonwix is a website where this watch is also selling, and you have seen lots of advertisement on your Facebook account, Instagram account, the same watch. Okay, so you should purchase this product or not. So first thing I want to tell you, the actual price of this product is like $159 in you can say on ebay.com, and we talk about on amazon.com the price is only 5000 INR, that is like $30 to $40. And if we talk about the another platform, that is like amazon.uk, this product is currently out of stock right now, but the ratings of the product is very bad, not too good. Okay, so this is a one more website where this product is selling like 55 euros. Okay, so the best thing what you can do, you can avoid the product because there is a very misinformation related to pricing and all. Okay, so what you can do, if you really want to purchase the product, then you can go with official stores like amazon.com, like ebay.com, and please don't purchase this product on any other unofficial stores, because when you make a purchase there is no guarantee like you will get your money back or not. If you are facing any issues related to return and refund, in that case what you will do? Okay, so there is no way, like these kind of store does not provide any kind of you can say return and refund, so you are going to face lots of issues while returning and refunding. So the best thing what you can do, you can avoid the product and you can save your hundreds and you can say hundreds of dollars. Okay, so if you have any experience, you can share your experience in our comment box. Your comment will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so thanks for watching this video and bye bye.